Sheesh. I know he's hungry all the time, but come on, really? What's he trying to do, eat the whole restaurant before it closes? Damn it, Aaron. You guys stuck in the middle of nowhere, while your fat ass is eating, we're sitting here starving.
Alright. Let's see what's going on to Max to the million.
He's probably enjoying himself in Thailand without me, the awesomely best in the world.
Baby, this is ass backwards. I got the juice and you got the beer. How was that beat tonight? Thanks, boss. You don't want to try the juice? Why not? Oh, yeah.
I get a drunk.
Yeah, get a drunk. All right.
Come on.
Toast.
Good luck.
Good luck. I know I will tonight. But if you swim, no clothes, no. I not mind, but it's bad. They see. Yeah, it's bad.
I check off anything.
Check off anything? I not mind, baby.
Yes, I can.
Yeah. I'll teach you how to swim.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Probably float, right? Right?
So I can do it?
Nah.
Yeah. It's good.
For my eyes only. For my eyes only. That's what it is.
You have to check. You have to check all people have the access with me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I'm like.
You sure not like my friend Izzy? You know Izzy? Shaq's little brother. He goes swimming pool. He still need vest. He cannot swim.
Oh. Why?
He's small. He cannot swim.
Yeah.
Chuk chuk chuk. Your feet like this. Chuk 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 chuk.
Yeah.
Nah, joking.
Man, check out Max and this chick Annie. She's cute.
I'm just messing with Izzy. No need to get mad. You're gonna fall off your high chair again.
Hey, look at Max's girl. She's cute.
What?
Sit in the water?
You kidding
Why
me?
you sit in the water?
Yeah.
Why? God, you pee-pee in your pants.
Yeah.
You go pee-pee, yeah.
Oh my god, look at this girl. Isn't she cute?
What? Max went there without me, the awesomely best in the world? Really? Well, then again, he probably would be jealous because she'd be all over me. Thank you. And you're welcome.
Oh,
Guys, I had to hold you. You almost fell in the pool.
They might have
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, gentlemen. I wait till in the room. I touch you later.
Good.
I touch you later.
Come on.
No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Whoa, look at Max go. Wow, look at that.
What the fuck? I didn't get that far with Lemmy. That's why I kicked that fucking rabbit-looking bitch to the curb.
We've been trying for a long time to say what we want to say, but feelings don't come easy to express in a simple way. But always got to be a way.
Whoa!
Hold me in your arms. 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 When you're gonna hold me in your arms. 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 Hold me in your arms.
Oh shit! Hold on.